Hakakat nyaw terik mentau nailur keseng Meghalaya Swimming Association regat kejing kersal lokal sports and youth affairs jong kesarkar jela. Kala pelong ya kejing kop jingi kabala tip kum ke 12th annual state swimming competition ya kabala pelong hapo Union Christian College ha Yam Ribuai district. Hakni je kop kabala wanci menta da bungut kinung jingi nakaleng ke jela. La pelong hik south league benta ni ki kategori bakan top ya freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, butterfly stroke. Kinong jingi balawan si menta hakni kejing kop kabasis ni kidai ki bana ki club pair bakan thop na Kajirang Swimming Club, Gadarang Swimming Club, Shela Swimming Club, na Assam Regimental Center, Shillong ban na Assam Valley School. Hagani ka singi laidan lang ru Commissioner Secretary Knat Sports and Youth Affairs ba Frederick Roy Khatngwa bolong kongsan ba laidan rangkat ru principal ka Union Christian College kit khat ka Meghalaya Swimming Association bat ki wede ki blasha khat sobha. Hadian ba kinong ilaka ki lesion mata ki jeko ba kategori pair kinong bishar hakani kasni hak pojan mi ki pen banai kinong job hala ki jong ki kategori ki khusnam he ki bakham kongsan hakani kasni ki thop ki best swimmer he ka balayo da ka Mayumi e Nongrum na ka Assam Valley School but L Dhanjit Singh na ka Assam Regimental Center ya kana most promising players pat layo da ka Aditi Thakeda pa Garik Wahambam ki ba na ka Assam Valley School.